beautiful people. Is your one and all Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe. My bunga people, today topic na about wetin happen for America. One man wey Kpeme himself, Kpeme him wife join am. This man a doctor, na he be doctor. And this man come from that village wey named for corn. Na the man for corn. But I don't know wetin come over am, wetin make am Kpeme him wife. I no just understand, because according to the story, the way we take hear am, they say they suspect his wife. They suspect his wife, like say maybe his wife they cheat on her, like seriously. So I call it, even though say you dey suspect your wife, say you dey cheat on you, whether you catch and red down dead and not understand, it never still reach for you to Kpeme the woman and Kpeme yourself. You na doctor, your wife na nurse. Like, una go school. Me no go understand though. This school now where people come they go now, like the thing will they surprise me, because I don't know how where una brain they go, where una sense come they go these days. I don't understand. What it go make you now Kpeme your wife because you dey suspect say she dey cheat on you? Like, I don't understand. I know some women can be annoying sometimes, like maybe akukere waka, you don't understand and again. It's for you to leave her, like you leave her instead where you go Kpeme her. You leave her, because this thing what you do now, man, that fire direct, you go Kpeme your wife, Kpeme yourself. Because of you, the suspect, you never know whether na truth, whether na lie. Even though somebody even tell you say they catch your wife, say somebody they joke go do, you know, if you confirm before you go take the next, before you go take that kind of decision. I don't just understand really. Like, this thing they always they come up for people. This thing they always they come up for so many people. Like, the thing go they surprise me. What you go make somebody now just take decision, take that kind of decision for your own self. Now so one man that time too don't always see happen for Africa, where the suspect your wife say where they go do DNA test, the country is not being born the children. And I'm not see what that one still do that time. So that one too still go Kpeme himself. Kpeme the woman. He took the woman, like he bush her. I know the way they bush her something now. And so he did do the woman that time too. All because of say they suspect say not being get the pikin. When they go do test, they not be even suspect, don't go do test already for that one. But all those decisions we wanna they take, we wanna take the Kpeme una self. Na very, very bad decision, really. Very, very bad. You not good to take law into your hands. You don't take law. You don't take law. I don't understand people, really. You don't take law into your hands. It's good. They surprise me sometimes when I go to see what some people they do to themselves or because of I don't understand really. What it go even make you now just Kpeme yourself, Kpeme your wife, or because you dey suspect say she dey cheat on you. Like you never even catch and red-handed. I don't understand people, What it come over you, they do you this one? What it come over the happen for that on our village now? Because una village people first fall out for name that day. Now so una village, this thing one come dey happen now. I don't understand though. God have mercy on this man for what he just do. Not be that one be the solution. That say American, I will still hear man will see Kpeme his wife too. So that America. And because say that they allow and they carry gun anyhow, and I make una they do anything we not like. I know, like, the thing go they surprise me sometimes. I don't know how people think they take this marriage of a thing. If marriage not work out, you better not be do or die. They don't make two of them together. When you they come this world, you know whether you meet that woman. The woman don't know whether I go meet you. So you never reach for Nana to come they take law into una hands, all because you suspect or you cash. I cannot understand. If the woman, you don't say the character not good for you again, it's for you to just boof her. It's for you to leave her. The woman too, if you see say the man character not good, Leave the man. Instead, we be all those kind of things come dey happen. This one a bad omen now. Bad omen. Maybe your own wife for because I don't understand. Your own wife. Because you dey suspect say she dey cheat on you. Like seriously? Like, are you kidding me right now? Eh? My people, as I just see the video, the thing shockalize me, like the thing surprised me. Eh? And then you see woman, again one way happen that time too. We be say the woman catch your husband with on another woman. He just catch your husband with another woman. The next thing, he pretends he don't forgive the man. As the man come house, he go put poison for side the man food. He give the man, make the man eat. The man Kpeme. Okay, what she can't gain for inside now? Na prison. She did kiri, life imprisonment. Eh? Life imprisonment. One of the reason something before I go to do something. You go reason at first. This decision what I want to take now, go to on a bad thing. Now bad thing. Very, very bad. No say when person go to plan bad thing to do, devil go to push you the more. Do you know? It's not good. Really. The truth have to be said. It's not good. Don't take law into your hands, please. I just go take beg now, beg. Eh? Just see the way this man, I take my wife, a daughter for that matter. Now they don't be even small picking. Elderly people like that. Just go pay me on herself up because of you suspect the woman they cheat on you or you catch the woman red-handed. No. Even though you catch her, it never reach for you to take that law into your hands. You don't take law into your hands. It's not done anyway. It's not possible. So my husband people, the thing it shockalize me when I see the video. I say, man, just come update when I'm gonna see you because I know they are around. I be just say I'm not gonna do video for now, but when I see this one and this particular one, I say no, I must do this video. Make I tell show my people. I still advise some people. Say I beg, make una the reason before una go dey do things. You first think the disadvantage with dey, you know. So my ogbonge people, for now I know if they show my face, I just dey do audio, they put for there for now. So when I help me to share the video, when I help me to share on my daily people. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. So this decision with this our brother take, if not good thing or not bad thing, I be gonna leave in a comment for the comment section. Thank you and bye.